Okay, so today I'm showing off the second iteration of the milestone. This is as far as I've gotten, completed milestone 1. Unfortunately, I did not get level 2 done due to a bug in the code that prevents me from drawing anything in another pyramid structure. Um, that's something I'll have to address after the fact. And so, uh, right now, as you can see, there's a slingshot, and you can reset if you hit R. So all it does is just resets the pyramid. Um, so you can slingshot your bird over, and it deletes itself once it slows down. It looks a little quick, but it actually waits a couple frames before deleting itself. Um, the sprites change, and if I can actually knock something down. Um, the sprites change and delete now, so there's actual destruction. Um, so when things fall on each other, you can see that things actually get deleted. The way I do it is I just, instead of trying to mingle, do this mangled mess of trying to delete textures and things like that on the fly, I just deactivate the object, and so that allows me to do the reset in such a way that resets everything back. One thing that kind of is different is, which was a surprise, was that I have to actually switch off damage for a little while on the reset because everything got destroyed once it like settled down, which is an interesting feature of Box 2D. Once you get things going, it's gets a little bit strange from time to time, but it might be different once it's warming up. So, as you may have noticed, I've also extended the screen itself. So, um, it's now closer to like a mobile screen, and I the slingshot works correctly. So the way that um, so if I hold a bird, uh, and my mouse goes beyond the radius, then the bird is at the closest radius that it could be to the slingshot. And unfortunately, there's a bug where if I reset, then the birds don't quite throw correctly. Something I have to deal with cleaning this code up. Um, also the destruction on different elements is different, so I can say like how much damage does it take to progress through the um, through the damage levels. And so for instance, the pig is a little bit less than most objects because when things collapse on each other, they need to actually kill the pig. I found that the pig would just roll around. Oh, and also if you've noticed, I added circular colliders, so things actually roll when they collide with the ground. And so the glass will break more easily than, say, the uh, um, the wood. One thing that I also did was I didn't quite repeat the texture in the back. I just did two textures glued together. It took me a little while to figure out how to do for some reason, things weren't quite matching up because I changed the viewport and the projection, but it looks like everything is matching up now to the screen coordinates and just the way that I wanted. So this is my Angry Birds project, and if you want to see more, then there's the original milestone video that shows a lot more of what's already in here. Thank you very much.